Hey everybody, it's David Pingree for Upshift Online. We're here today with our 1090 adventure bike. I want to talk to you a little bit about preload setting on the rear shock. So this is important, and I think it's something that's overlooked by a lot of people because where this is set here on your bike really affects the way this chassis works. You have it too low, you're taking a lot of weight off the front end, and your front end will get real loose and you'll lose a lot of traction on that front. And vice versa. You have it too stiff, you're going to be too heavy in the front, and it's going to seem real squirrely. So you want to make sure you got this thing right. And where KTM recommends this is 2 turns in. There's 18 turns in total. So when you're checking this, when you get it from the dealer, if you've bought it from somebody, pull this thing all the way out, all the way to your left, lefty loosey, righty tighty, for anybody who needs a little refresher, and then 2 clicks in. There's a detent in here, so you'll hear it click. And you want to go 2 turns in. That's for your average 200-pound rider without a whole lot of gear. And then you want to adjust from there based on what you're carrying. Do you have a passenger? Do you have bags full of stuff? Are you a bigger boy? Whatever it is, start dialing in clicks, and you know that's going to change based on the weight you're carrying. But if you feel like the back end of the bike is squatted down too low when you're riding, or it's up too high, that's an indicator you need to adjust this. And some of that's personal preference as well. I tend to like my bike to squat a little lower in the back, just always have. So I'm going to run this in a little further than most people, or out a little further rather. So the more tension you put on that, or the more turns in you go, you're putting more tension on that spring, it's going to sit higher, and vice versa. So play with this, find a setting that works for you, maybe make some notes of where you like it based on how much weight you're carrying, and always refer back to that anytime you change loads. Anytime you're riding different terrain, things like that. So that's our tip for today. Hope it helps. Go out and check where you're at and play with it. Find something you like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.